Okay guys, it's just a quick little vid I want to make. Basically this vid is that can I use other chassis, die-cast cars, 24 scale to get my Mini Zs under it. Will it still work? Now I know these are metal, they'll be a little bit heavier, but you know, for example, just to have something a little bit different, I was looking at Scale X Tricks, the Fly, well not the Fly Sky Sisu versions. They're like 132 scale. Now sometimes the scalings are a bit wild. Alright, okay, let's unscrew this. So this is Welly. They do, it's funky because it's 124, some of them say, and some of them say 124 to 127 scale. This is gonna fall, don't care. You're not a Mini Z. Go on. Right. Okay, so. Whoop. Okay, now that, let me just quickly check. From what I can remember, these are about 6 inches long. Alright, so, yeah, so Mini Zs are about 165, some of them, aren't they? So the wheelbase will be, okay, it's a little bit longer, that's about 98. Hey, we might get away with this. So, okay, have a quick look at that. Got a surfboard on top, so cool. Alright, now I'm not going to do it in this video guys, but I just got to take 2 screws off, pull that out. Can I put the Mini Z side rails on there and fit that onto a Mini Z? Interesting. So, I think, yep, that wheelbase will fit. Sorry guys, I'm just thinking out loud because this is something I want to, oh yeah, of course. Yeah guys, what do you think? That'll do it. But then at least you got something different. Yeah, there's going to be a bit more weight, but at least it's something funky. Imagine that drifting about. Okay, let me try it with something else. That I'm going to have to use something really narrow because that's a 92 wheelbase. It's going to be a bit odd. Take it apart from there, have a look at it. It's got the all-wheel drive width, so the wheels are 5.7mm. So it's wide enough. The wheels might stick out a little bit, and the wheelbase is long enough. So it could be kind of like 2 scale, but I think I have a problem with the wheels and the turning circle. That's the only thing. So this is the Scale X Tricks. This is the 132 scale, and I bought a used one just in case that doesn't work out. I'll probably sell the floor pan off in case it doesn't. And then I got this bigger version from America, and that's 124. Now the thing is guys, everyone's doing 124. There's no real set 124, I've noticed that. Because that's 124 scale, and that is, look at the blooming size of that car compared to this. So I can't even see it, sorry guys, I've got it reversed. Look at the comparison there, you know. That's a car and it's massive compared to this van. So, again, but I was looking at if my Overland would fit in there, and just about, if you could just make it a few millimeters longer, you could probably get an Overland under that. And probably jump it a little bit as well. You could probably like recreate them stunts. So, alright. This is a kit you've got to build up and make, and I won't be doing it. I just wanted that. That's all I wanted, guys. Yeah. So if I can pull it off with that one, then hopefully I can also pull it off with this one. You can never have enough police cars. And again, this one's 124 to 27, so they've kind of saved themselves there by not committing to a size. So, but let's have a quick look at this one. The only downside is the actual weight. Get out. Okay, so I mean the thing is, at the end of the day guys, you know, it's something we've always wanted to do, and you're doing it at my expense. Because if it don't work, it's just me who paid for it. And if it does, get your screws in there. If it does, that's pretty cool. I mean that is pretty long though for a Mini Z. I think this is about 190mm, which the only ones that go that big in the Mini Zs are the McLaren F1 type, the new one that they brought out, and some of the track ones, Porsche LMS. Sorry guys, I should have been screwing it, but yeah, okay, that's got some weight to it, that. Alright, so police car, opening door, the door's open, but it's got tape on it. So, does the bonnet open? Nope. It might do actually, it's got tape on it, so peel some tape off and put the tape. Because I've never had a Mini Z that the doors open on, or the bonnet opens on. Oh yeah, it does. Bonnet opens. Alright, that's going to be a bit awkward when I put a Mini Z under there. Okay, and the doors will open, all the tape's off. Let's have a quick look. Yep, they do. A bit stiff, but yeah, they open. Right, that's cool. That will open. So, we're okay with that one. Let's try another. Yep, so again, one screw there, one screw there. These wheels do move. The wheelbase is a little bit long. Let's have a quick look. About 105. So Mini Z's go up to 107. What is the mill? That's just a tad short. So I'm not sure this is 102. It must be about 105 or 104. Could get away with it. Will it fit underneath? Yeah, it looks like it will. It looks like it will. Right. Guys, this is just a thought. You know, you guys might have even done this before me, but something I'm thinking about. That would kind of go to scale with that one. Yeah. Okay. Right. Hot Rider. This is another one done by Wally. My brother's actually got one of these. Well, it's better than this. It's a Roadster convertible in lilac. I've never seen another two of them anywhere. And it's a crazy looking car. It's all blown out. It's fiberglass, you know, around the wheel arches, so it's all blown out. And it's got massive wheels on it. It's not one of them Baja things. It's actually a convertible Roadster. It's got a soft top roof, and so I've always had a bit of a soft spot for them. I didn't like what I saw of the Beetles that they had. One is you can't get hold of them, and secondly it's a new shape. I prefer the old one, and they should do some of them proper fatted out ones, man. Cut the tape, and let's have a wee look at this guy. But I'm just wondering if anyone done this before. I know I've seen some videos where guys have done it with trucks. There's a person on YouTube called RC Moo, and I think he's in Germany, I'm not sure. We've had dialogue with each other. He's a cool guy. I think he has an RC shop as well. Okay, our bonnet opens. Well, sorry, not bonnet, that's your boot, a Volkswagen. Okay, because the engine's in the back. Doors open, yeah they do. And it'd be actually interesting to see that on a Mini Z. I've never seen anyone with the doors and stuff open. Okay, nice wheels. Nice wheels. Could we do something with them wheels? Could we take them off? Have they got ball bearing fittings? I don't know. Okay, so again, 2 screws. Shall we do it, guys? Let's go down, let's do 5, we'll go down. Okay, right. So, okay, this is what I've been wanting to really get into. Yeah? Oh man, I don't really like Renaults, but they got it right with this version. I don't know if this is a GT version, but you know, it's kind of like blown out. It looks sick. Trying to get hold of one of the Mini Z ones, so these is a mission. I've never seen one, ever. So, I thought, right, you know what, let's improvise, let's make our own. This may be the best idea I've had for a long time, or the worst. And here's some of the kits that they've got in 24 scale. And I think only the this one actually looks the best out of all of them. So, yeah. Let's have a wee look at this guy. As I say, guys, this could be an awesome idea or a really rubbish idea, depending on the wheelbase. And a lot of the sellers don't know that information because they don't open them. Oh, that is nice. Yo, that is nice. Goldy kind of colour. Oh, it's so heavy. That is proper metal, man. Proper metal. That's not all this flimsy stuff. That's like proper die-cast metal. Oh, that's a beautiful colour though. That is a beautiful colour. Doors don't open, no. something to do with this back bit. It all comes off or something. Something about it, I can't remember, but there was something, oh there it goes, it all pops off. I don't know what that's about. It all kind of comes off for some reason, but I don't know. But I'm not taking it off, it's staying right there. Right, okay, let's check out. Will this work? Nope, needs to be a little bit longer than that. Maybe the overlander size will work. Perfect fit. Okay. But that won't get under there. I have to cut these bits off. That is really heavy though, guys. I didn't expect. I thought it was just gonna be a little plastic flimsy thing. Anyway, something to look into later on. Whoop. These are all the parts that come with it. So you've got all your windshields, front bumper, all the lights that fit in. Hopefully I can put some lights in there as well. Okay, it must have like a roll cage built into the car. And your wheels. Oh, let me see the wheels. Let me see the wheels. Are these wheels mountable? No, the hole's really small. So you won't get that in a Mini Z. Okay. Floor plan, pan, the car. And I ain't got a clue. Must be something to do with the engine or the bonnet. Oh, just in that little case. Okay. Well, I'll stand for it to go. Right. I was looking forward to that. And there's decals in there as well. But that is really, really heavy. I mean, whoa. You could knock somebody out with this. That could do some damage, man. Oh, if only it was plastic. But if I lightened it out by taking all this stuff off, can I mount everything else? Anyway. Something to think about and tinker with. Little projects that could be on the go. Righty. Right, so guys. I've got a load of stuff on that I'm supposed to be doing. Supposed to be sorting out my slash, making one really fast. And I'm supposed to be doing some 100-mile-an-hour runs. And lots of other bits and bobs. Truggies and all that kind of stuff. So, I don't know when I'm going to get around to doing this, but it's just like a project for a rainy day. If I get a chance, I'm just going to have a quick look at them. The only downside is the weight. And some of them are just a little bit longer. Now, I ordered a few more from China that were 15 centimeters long, so they're just right for our Mini Z's, just right. So they'll be like on this kind of level. That's nice and light, that one, guys. You know, there's no middle path with these, is there? You know, that is gonna be kind of funky, man. Imagine that drifting around or driving around. So they're this size. The good thing about Chinese sellers is they always put dimensions on their items. So with them I could check. With these, they didn't have a clue and they weren't going to open the boxes for me, so... But yeah, okay. So that it wouldn't really look out of place if we put it next to, like... It wouldn't really go out of place. You could still have them kind of... You know what I mean? So... Yeah. Okay, right, that was just me thinking aloud in a video, and the one that I probably will be doing is this one. If I can get some wheels sorted out. I'd love to do a chase with that. I'd love to have a little chase with that. So, that's the one I'm probably going to try and do if I get a bit of free time. Yeah. And the wheels probably will be sticking out a little bit. I might have to even cut the wheel arches a little bit. But I don't know why. I used to watch Dukes of Hazzard, right? And I had the trashed 300 cars making that series. So I'm definitely going to jump them. I mean, if you watch my video, if you watch my Audi R8 versus McLaren, I jumped them. And it was actually quite a high jump as well. It was like, for Minis, it was high. You're jumping about 2 feet in the air. And landed them on my road. So, yeah. This will be getting jumped left, right and centre. So I'm going to strengthen it. And, yeah. Wow, this one, so some of them, that consistency's not there, man. Some of them are really heavy, some of them are really light. Anyway, right guys, so that's that. If I manage to do something and I put it together, I will upload a video, guys. But it won't be any time just soon because I'm moving. So I'm going to be focusing on that for a moment. And then, yeah, so if I get around to it, I will do that, guys. And hopefully, this weekend I was hoping to make another street racing video. So, if you haven't watched them, have a look at them, guys. They're going to be getting better, hopefully. Alright, guys, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please. Because obviously it helps these projects in the sense that it's nice for you guys to support it and to give me some input as well. Okay, and again, guys, stay RC tuned. Thank you very much for tuning in. Okay, goodbye.